Can I help you?
Yeah, how you doing?
Can I help you?
I'm just letting you know, you're more than welcome to film here.
You don't need to tell me not to go on the property. There's a sign right there, dude. Just keep it moving, dude.
I'm just letting
No, you don't need to let me know, dude. I could read. I could read. I could read. Shut the up.
All right.
You.
All right.
Piece of shit. Yeah, call the real police, you fake security. Fake security. It says police, but you ain't the cops. You ain't got no jurisdiction out here. Shut up. What? What's up, dude? Why is everybody stalking me, dude?
I'm not stalking you.
Everybody's stalking me now.
You're stalking me.
You now?
Well, I just had a call.
Yeah, I understand.
Someone was concerned, that's all.
Concerned? You mean like suspicious? Let's call it what it is, right?
I'm just making sure you're okay.
What? No, you're not, dude. You got to call for service, dude, for a suspicious person. Don't come over here acting like you're my friend, first of all. Okay?
I don't know.
Why don't you identify yourself first?
I'm Patrolman McCarran, Warrentown Township Police Department.
Okay, what's your badge number?
3298.
3298.
Yep.
Okay. So you're just checking on me, just to make sure I'm okay, right?
We got a call.
Well, like medical or something? Or
No,
like
it was
what?
a suspicious person just saying somebody was at a bus stop filming people going by. So I was just coming out just to make sure everything was good.
Yeah.
That's all. Do you have your ID on you?
You're kidding, right?
I have to document whoever I saw.
All right, guys, we're jumping straight into Houston, Texas, where this First Amendment auditor is out doing nothing more than filming in public. No crimes, no threats, no disorder, just a camera on a sidewalk. But that alone is enough for two security guards to leave their posts and confront him like he's smuggling national secrets. They start demanding answers, demanding ID, and demanding authority they simply don't have. And here's the funny part. These guards talk big about investigating, but in America, an investigation doesn't magically give you powers. No Terry stop, no suspicion, no detention. Yet watch how fast this is public property turns into give me your name. The auditor doesn't back down, and the agitation starts to build almost immediately as backup gets called and the scene escalates.
No, you don't. I have a Fourth Amendment right, and you're going to respect that today. Do you understand English? Or you can call Supervisor and you can kick rocks after.
Okay.
I value my Fourth Amendment. I have committed absolutely no crime. I've never stepped on that property. Then the only time you can get my ID is if I'm driving or if I've committed a crime and under arrest. That's it. Am I wrong? Are you going to step it up? Yeah. Am I detained?
You asked for
Am I detained? I didn't ask for a supervisor. I said if you're going to demand ID and threaten me with an arrest, then you can call a supervisor.
I'm not threatening.
Am I okay? Am I free to go? Or am I detained? I'm detained?
At this moment, yes.
I'm detained for what crime?
You don't have to be detained for.
Yes, you do. It's reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime. What crime do you What crime do you suspect me of committing?
I don't know.
You need an RAS in order to detain somebody.
I'm just talking to you.
Can you just? No, you're not.
What's your name?
This is not a cordial conversation anymore. I'm now illegally being detained for absolutely nothing wrong.
Sir.
No.
I'm trying to be civil.
No, you're not. No, you're investigating me for absolutely no crime. You can't even articulate what crime I've possibly committed.
Sir, we got a call for service.
That doesn't mean you can just stop me on the street and tell me I can't move. No, that's against my rights. Do you understand that?
Done here, you can go.
No, I am done. I've been done with you. If I walk away, you're going to throw me in cuffs and throw me on the ground?
I never said that.
So I'm not detained then, right?
I never said that.
So I'm not detained then, right? Because if that was the case, then you can use force against me. So I'm going to walk away. And I suggest you do the same thing.
Now the situation reaches a new level when police arrive. Right away, the officers demand ID, as if filming is some form of felony espionage. The auditor calmly explains the law. I'm not detained. I'm not suspected of a crime. I don't have to identify. That's straight from the Supreme Court and Texas statutes. But instead of acknowledging that, the officer tries the classic intimidation move, threatening arrest if the auditor doesn't play along. The irony? The officer claims he just wants to investigate, but an investigation doesn't override constitutional rights. The tension is obvious. Rather than focusing on legitimate crimes, the police decide a camera is the problem. And viewers need to pay attention here, because this is how rights get trampled slowly, not by big actions, but by small, confident ones.
I'm walking away.
Having a conversation.
No, this is not a cordial conversation.
Why not?
Because you're detaining me for a crime you cannot not articulate.
We can't just talk?
No.
Why?
About what? About what? That I'm out here exercising my constitutional right that you swore to protect. Now that you're starting to violate my rights. Am I free to go?
Not at this moment.
So I'm detained.
You have your ID.
I'm not giving you my ID. I'll take you to federal court over it if we have to.
Can I get your name, date of birth?
No, you cannot.
So I can document.
No, can I get yours? Let me see your ID. Let me see your ID. I'll play Uno.
I told you, I'm Patrolman Carey. I'm born 10.
Let me see your identification. I'll give you mine.
Badge number's 32.
That's the deal. You give me yours, I'll give you mine.
Would you like to speak with the supervisor?
If you're going to continue illegally detaining me, then yeah. Because you're...
Okay.
So I suggest you just let me go about my on a public sidewalk. I've done nothing wrong.
Well,
I don't care. That doesn't mean that you could just stop me and say I'm not free to move anymore.
At this point, a supervisor steps in, and honestly, it's refreshing. He asks what's going on, actually listens, and immediately recognizes the situation is nonsense. He tells the security guards to back off, tells the officers there's nothing here, and makes it clear that filming on public property is perfectly legal. Just like that, the tension drops. No arrest, no cuffs, no forced ID. The supervisor does exactly what real policing should look like. De-escalation, law, and reality instead of feelings. But don't relax yet, guys, because the funniest part is coming up. When the auditor tries to leave, the same guard who started the chaos suddenly wants to apologize. Now that authority has spoken, everyone pretends they knew the law the whole time.
Figure out what's going on.
It's self-evident, isn't it? I'm recording on public property.
I don't know. What are you recording?
Anything I can see out here. Right now, it's you.
Okay, that's fine.
I know it's fine.
I'm recording too.
Great. I was going to ask you about that. Don't delete it and don't mute it.
It's not getting muted. It's not getting deleted. It's not getting turned off.
I've seen it before.
Well, trust me. I'm not.
I don't trust police. They lie, and the Supreme Court's ruled that you're allowed to.
Okay.
Just like you are right now. You're completely lying to me. You're detaining me illegally. I've cited the law. Okay, Terry v. Ohio, there's several case laws that you cannot just detain somebody for suspecting them of no crime. Is it trespassing do you suspect me of?
No.
Is it loitering? Hold on,
So
let's go through them. Is it disorderly conduct?
This is what I'm trying to figure out.
Okay.
This is why I'm out here.
So by you telling me I'm not free to go, you know what? I'm going to remain silent. I'm done with you.
Okay.
I'm done and I'm walking away.
Speak with him.
No, I don't want to speak with anybody. I want to be free and on my way to record and exercise my rights. You piece of...
Hang out.
I ain't hanging out with anybody, dude. I don't hang out with pigs like you who detain people for no crime.
Okay. Like I said, we got a call about you. We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
There's nothing going on. There's nothing going on. I'm out here exercising my constitutional rights, and this piece of it's telling me I'm detained, and he can't even articulate the crime that he suspects me of, which is illegal. I'm on a sidewalk recording because I'm...
This is where the confrontation flips completely. The auditor throws a little education back their way, reminding them that no one is obligated to surrender ID or give personal information unless detained under lawful suspicion. And here's the kicker. One of the guards straight up admits he assumed filming was illegal because they never seen it before. That tells the entire story. Most violations of rights don't come from malice. They come from ignorance wrapped in confidence. Meanwhile, the officer finally acknowledges what the supervisor already knew. No crime, no detainment, no ID. Now the frustration settles in on the guards because their attempt to control the situation completely failed. They wanted compliance, got resistance, and lost the legal ground in front of law.
Off at this officer. What's your name and badge number?
Sergeant Biddle, 3255.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm going to get his name and badge number as well. Appreciate it. Thank you. Am I detained still?
Away.
Is that illegal?
And then when
You're free to go.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. This piece of shit.
If you walk in the street and follows across the street, I'll fight you there.
You're in the street too, you pig. You got to abide by the same laws, you piece of shit. Shut the up.
I'm Officer Alexander. How you doing today?
He's a...
Okay, I understand.
I know I'm free to go, you...
Why are you still here?
Because I could say and do whatever I want. It's a free country.
It is.
It is.
You
Yeah.
said we're bothering you. You're the one.
Kick rocks, dude. Kick rocks. Shut the up. Train your officer instead of detaining me illegally. Yeah, you. You. You seem okay. You seem okay. But for now.
I'm a good guy.
Yeah, well, that can't even articulate why he detained me. Okay? It's either loitering, trespassing, disorderly, something. You need some sort of articulation. Yeah, you can go. Yeah, you can kick rocks, all of you. Get the out of here. You're all right, man. You're okay. I give you a little respect, all right?
I appreciate that.
Them two pieces of dude, you better telling you, stay away from them, dude.
And finally, as the auditor walks away, the moral gets spelled out clearly. This wasn't about a camera, it wasn't about safety, and it definitely wasn't about an investigation. It was about control. When people don't know the law, they default to authority, fake or real. But when citizens know their rights, the entire script changes. That's why First Amendment auditing exists. Not to stir trouble, but to expose how little the average security guard, officer, or company understands about constitutional freedoms. So all right, guys, here's the takeaway. Filming is legal, demanding ID without detainment is illegal, and intimidation only works on people who don't know better. If this auditor didn't stand his ground, this encounter would have ended with a false arrest and a police report full of lies. Instead, it ended with education and embarrassment.